It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body baby, oh. Hey, His body baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, yeah. See.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing another hair tutorial, and today we're going to be use braiding hair to have a sleek ponytail. And by the way, I just washed my hair last night, so that's why it looks a bit messy and pretty much not stretch out, but yeah, we're just gonna work with that. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so to get started, what you need is use braiding hair of your choice. It can be red, yellow, orange, pink, whatsoever color you want it to be. And then your hair gel, I'm using Eco Styler gel, water, hairbrush, hair ties, bobby pins, and a hair scarf to tie the hair after you slick it down. So let's just get into it. So I forgot to tell you guys how I made this ponytail myself. So what I did was I took elastic. This was I think from my undies or my bra, and I just cut it off, and then I crocheted the hair onto this elastic. So all you need is just an elastic to do this, and then the braiding hair is pretty easy to crochet in. So it's big hoops, and then put the hair underneath and then crochet. So that's what I did to achieve this. If you guys want a tutorial on how to do this, I can show you guys. So now what you need to do is, so while the hair is like this, you fold the hair into two like that, or one actually, and then put it on your actual hair. So now we're going to take a little bit of the hair and then twist it around our natural hair to secure it in place. much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up by liking this video and subscribe to my channel if you can, and also make sure to turn on your notification button. And also, if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please comment down below and I'll let you know for me to see what you guys want. And also, if you guys want more video like this on hair tutorials on how to slay and also still look good on a budget, I will do more video for you guys. And yeah, just comment down below, like, subscribe, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.